Hi everyone, I'm Caleb, the Senior Fellow in Bibliography here at the Yiddish Book Center, and today on National Typewriter Day, I'm going to show you how to write with our Yiddish typewriter. So first, we're going to grab our piece of paper, and then we're going to pull this bar back towards us. We're going to put our piece of paper in the machine and line it up with our margin, and then turn this knob just until the top of our paper peeks through there, push the bar back, and then push our carriage all the way over to the left, and now we're ready to write. So if some of you are familiar with English typewriters, you might notice that I push the carriage in the opposite direction. That's because we write Yiddish from right to left, so our typewriter needs to go right to left as well. So let's write. Now, I'm not sure what I should write, so thankfully we've got this handy little guideline with some phrases that we can write. Why don't we say, I can write in Yiddish. Ich kann schreiben auf Yiddish. Ich kann schreiben auf Yiddish. Now we finished the line, so we're going to push this little lever here all the way back over to the left, and we're ready to type another line. But let's see what our piece of paper looks like. So we're going to pull the bar back towards us, pull up this little lever here, and then just turn the knob until our piece of paper is free. And voila, you've typed something off Yiddish. Come try it for yourself, on display now as part of our permanent exhibition, Yiddish, a Global Culture.